guys, Lan here on Grady's Mom. This is my holiday gift guide, gifts $10 or less. And I'm really excited about this one because most of you guys know, if you've been following my channel for a while, we gift to a lot of people. So we need to stay on a budget. We need to try to stay under budget. And a lot of people that I gift to, I do need to stay under that $10 or less budget. So all the things that I'm going to show you today are all items that are underneath that $10 mark and are all things that I'm actually going to be gifting. So I'm going to start over here and work my way around. First thing I want to touch on is Rae Dunn. Now I know most of us, whether we like Rae Dunn or not, we at least know what it is. So you guys know it's these mugs with all the writing on it. I have a ton of them. And I actually don't necessarily like them because they're popular. I like the mugs because they are huge. I brew a 10-ounce cup of coffee and it's literally like up to here. I like a nice big fat mug that I don't feel like when I'm walking around, chasing my kid around, trying to get ready in the morning, that my coffee is gonna slosh all over the place. I can brew a 10-ounce cup with my cream, my sugar, and I never feel like it's gonna slosh out. I do like the imperfection of them. I don't so much just like them because they're trendy. I just happen to like the functionality of the mugs. They are about $5.99 at like HomeGoods, Marshalls, or TJ Maxx. My husband and I have this set, and this is another set that I found, the same set that we own. I found one at Marshall's and one at TJ Maxx, and it just is perfect because I needed the set. And I'm actually going to be gifting this to my neighbors who are newlyweds. They have a little baby boy, and they just recently got married this past fall, and they're our neighbor friends. And the wife, every time she's here, always says, you know, I love your Rae Dunn, and we always have coffee, and she always says I never can find any. So I thought this would be a perfect gift to give them, this little set. Again, they were $5.99 each. And I'm just gonna wrap them up in a pretty gift bag with some tissue paper and a Christmas card, and that's their gift. So it's a nice little couple's gift as well. So yeah, if you think you know people who would like Rae Dunn anything, check your Marshalls, TJ Maxx, or HomeGoods. So definitely recommend these mugs. I use them pretty much every day, again, because I like a larger cup of coffee, and they're great price point at $5.99 a piece. Also, this time of year and year round, they come out with different canisters, seasonal. This is one I recently found in the Christmas kind of section, and it says Bear Treats, and it was $7.99, and it's just this cute little canister that you could use for anything, obviously candy or just really anything at all. You could put whatever you want in here, and it's also really pretty as decor. So I'm actually going to give this to a girlfriend of mine that loves anything teddy bear, and she also happens to love Rae Dunn. And to go along with it, I also found this little hold square tray. It was $3.99. So I thought that was a really nice deal. So most likely both of these will be going to her. But yeah, this is $7.99. The jars range anywhere from less than $7.99 all the way up to about $20 depending on the size. And I thought this would be cute to put like your jewelry or your rings or really anything in. You could put a lot of different things in here, but I thought this would be good for like a desk or a dresser or even a bathroom. I also thought it would be cute for like a desk to hold things like tacks or paper clips or just little odds and ends on your desk. So these are all the Rae Dunn things I wanted to share that are all significantly under $10. This one coming in the highest at $7.99. Also, every year I try to at least mention this once. This is one of my favorite all-time inexpensive hand creams. This is by the Soap and Glory brand, and recently, within the past couple years, they went back to Target. I think for a while they were at a Target, but you can get this brand at Target or at Ulta, and obviously online. This is the Call of Fruity hand food. It's not the original hand food, but it is a hydrating hand cream. It's got vitamin E. And the notes are a nourishing blend with marshmallow extract, macadamia oil, and shea butter to hydrate and soften. And it really does work. I love it. It's very inexpensive. I believe this tube is about $5. Correct me if I'm wrong. It could be maybe $6, but it comes in well under 10. And this would be a great gift to throw in a little cello bag or a gift bag with some candies, and then you have a great gift for under $10. So I always try to mention hand food every year because a lot of people don't know about it, and it's a really, really great hand cream. It smells yummy, and I just love the Soap and Glory brand. So one of my favorite things in this video, I obviously would wrap these all up with ribbon and make them pretty, but I didn't this time because I wanted to actually show you them. So I found these, let me take these out. I found these glass soap dispensers at TJ Maxx, guys, and let me show you this price. $2.99. Are you serious? Because when I saw these, I couldn't believe it. They look very much more, I don't know, expensive. They're glass. I obviously wouldn't recommend shipping them, but if you're gifting to local friends or family, would also be a great housewarming gift, and I don't think anyone would ever think it was $2.99. When I saw them before I picked them up, I thought they would be closer to like $5 or $6, but yes, they were $2.99 a piece. So this, what I decided to do is take one of these, put it in a cello bag like this, and then put a soap in here. So this is the Marshmallow Flurries soap. Now, you don't necessarily have to put this soap into the bottle, but I just thought it was kind of a nice concept because this would obviously, you can use any soap, like any liquid soap, and nowadays they sell all the refills at like Target or Walmart. And this one is the Twisted Peppermint, which I thought looked really cute with this. So these are, I got the soaps on sale. They were on sale for $2.50. And then again, the dispensers were $2.99. So there's a gift right there that's what, $6. And I just have these cello bags from Bath & Body Works. I'm gonna put a pretty pink or a pretty red and white ribbon around here, a little card, and that's a perfect little friend gift. That's $6 that nobody would ever think is $6. And these cello bags, I just love them. I rave about them all the time because they're so great for gifting because you can see what's in it. It looks pretty, the presentation is great, and they're free, so you can't beat that. So definitely check TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Home Goods. They had a ton of them. They had a green one, a clear one. I just have to peel the little sticker off, but they're just so cute. And I love that they're glass, and I love that they're etched, and they say soap and water on them. They're just really nice quality, guys. It's hard to explain, but for $2.99, I was like, yes, please. So definitely check for these if you're looking to give someone, not just a Christmas gift, but like a housewarming gift as well. All right, so this is, I think, another of my favorites in this video. I actually bought two of these, one for me and one for a friend. Now, first off, this part here is like a solid marble. This thing is really heavy. Like, this thing is actually legitimately heavy. So it's got this beautiful marble. It's got this beautiful wooden pedestal, and it's real wood. It's got the little feet, and when I saw the price, I nearly passed out. $9.99. I swear, guys, this is something that if you pick this up at like Pottery Barn, I guarantee you this would be $30 to $40. It is that heavy, that beautiful, and that well made. This camera is literally not doing it any justice at all of how pretty this is. And these, I mean, pedestals right now are huge. What I like about this is not only the way it looks, but I love the size of it. So it's not huge to where it's obnoxious, but it's not super tiny. So for example, if you put these soaps, and most of us know what these soaps, the size of the bottles. So if you put these soaps on here, for example, just to give you an idea of the scale of them, I just think it's a perfect size. I have a lot of mini pedestals. I have one large one, but I have 0 in this size. So when I saw these, I went ahead and picked one up for myself, and I also picked up one for my friend. And with this, I'm also going to gift her a candle, but I just wanted to share this because it was under the $10 mark. But yeah, there were only 2. If there would have been 3, I honestly probably would have bought it for somebody else down the road because I nearly fell over when I saw the price. This I thought easily would be $19.99 even at TJ Maxx. It's just that beautiful. So if you happen to see this in your shopping journeys in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods, go pick it up, touch it, you will want it, and it will be going home with you. It is really nice. So not only for decor, to hold your soaps, a lot of people use it for cleaning products now. A lot of people put their candles on there. They're just really functional. And of course too, you could use it for food related things, like if you made like a little baked goodie or something, but this to me is not huge enough, like you couldn't fit a pie on here or something, but it's just so pretty, so versatile. I can use it year round, and I know my girlfriend is going to absolutely love it. And I'm giving her one of these short, fat 3-wick DW home candles, which will take up a majority of this space. It's going to be perfect on here. I'm giving her like a pine scented one. But again, $9.99, you just can't beat it. It's just so beautiful. So I had to share that. This is definitely the steal of the video. So first off, this is a ceramic Starbucks cup. I got this from Walmart, and it's pretty, you know, it's like a tall, sort of narrow-ish cup. It has these like really pretty trees on it, on the front and the back, just really pretty and simple. And then it comes with the peppermint hot cocoa. So when I saw this, I could not believe the price. Because guys, I would say like almost any of us would think this would be about $10, because this is a full-size tall mug. So when I saw the price, I had to jump on it. Hopefully it will focus. It is $5.98. I don't know why it won't focus, but it's $5.98. And I can't believe that I found this. And actually, the day I got this, when I went back the next day, because I got this, came home and thought, why did I not get more of those? That's a perfect gift for $6. And I literally went back the next day and they were gone. They were all gone. However, I did talk to somebody there. They said they were going to restock them, but they said people were buying these by the handful because of the price. I mean, I would imagine most people who are snapping these up, a lot of them had to be for teachers. This is such a nice gift to give teachers. I just try to stay away from mugs every year because I know teachers get so many of them. But this is going to be a gift for one of my friends, along with a couple other smaller items. But this $5.98, if you guys can find this at your Walmart, I would highly recommend grabbing 1, 2, 3, 4, however many you think you could gift to, because I don't think anybody would ever think that this is a $6 gift. It's just really cute. The presentation's already cute. You can just throw it in a little gift bag and you're good to go. Had to share that. Gonna keep stalking my Walmart to see if they restock and I can grab a couple more, because I think these would be a great gift for a lot of different people year round. So I had to share that. Another gift, another thing I purchase almost every year are one of these Hickory Farms gift sets, and I usually get one for my uncle, my mom's brother, who comes every year for Christmas to my mom's house. He loves the sweet hot mustard, the Mission Jack cheese, and the summer sausage. He loves those 3 things, and then you also get some crackers and some little candies. So this set is $8.98. So it comes in at a little over $1, under 10. And this is just the Hickory Farmhouse sampler. They did have a couple other ones. They had a $15 one and a $20 one. And obviously you get more product. Like one of them comes with 2 sausages, 2 cheeses, that kind of thing. But he's perfectly happy with this as part of his gift. So if you have a foodie or somebody that you know already likes this, because a lot of us around the holidays love this brand. I grew up eating this brand as a kid. Grab this for $8.98. It's just a great gift, very universal, gender neutral. It's just a really great gift, and I buy one pretty much every year. And then the last food gift I wanted to share with you guys is this chocolate peppermint drizzle popcorn. So it actually looks really appetizing as well. And the brand is called Gotta Sweet by Amy. I found this at TJ Maxx, and guys, it was $5.99. And this thing is substantial size. I actually bought 2 of these, but obviously I'm just going to show you one because you already know what it looks like by this. So this is going to go to one of Grady's school speech therapists that he sees just once a week, who's super sweet, because he has some therapy at school and then the bulk of his therapy is outpatient at a clinic. So this is a perfect gift. $5.99. I actually already had a bag in my gift bag stash. It's just this pretty kind of neutral, great bag. It's actually a wine bag, but the popcorn actually fits in here perfectly, like that. So I'm just gonna put it in there like that. Grady's gonna write a little card, and it's just a perfect little gift, and I know she loves popcorn and chocolate. So these are all the things I found this year that I'm actually gifting this year under that $10 mark. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some kind of ideas for somebody on your list. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video.